Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cleansing and detangling so extensions sit flat and last longer. Once done, apply a light leave-in. Avoid heavy oils that slip. Next, make 4 to 6 even sections and clip them away because consistent parts give even tension. Measure and lay out your extensions beside you so you can match texture and length quickly. Make sure to remove tangles from both extension and natural braid base. This prevents bumps and uneven thickness as you attach. You'll attach by adding a small extension piece at the root and overlapping about 1/2 inch of natural hair. Once positioned, feed the extension and your hair into a 3-strand braid, keeping strands distinct. This creates a seamless blend and prevents slipping. Maintain controlled tension, tight enough to secure, loose enough to protect the scalp. If you need more hold, wrap the first inch with a tiny elastic or a thread knot. Repeat across each part, checking evenness as you go. You finish by sealing ends. Dip synthetic braids in hot water briefly or secure with a small elastic for human hair. Once cooled, trim stray fibers and shape the ends so the style looks natural. Make sure to gently apply oil to the scalp only, not the braid, to avoid loosening. If a braid slips, re-braid that section and add a tiny thread anchor at the root. This prevents recurrence. Finally, sleep on a silk scarf to preserve the installation and reduce frizz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.